Alrighty guys, Daryl here doing another RYDLAR99 box break. This time we're doing a box of 2010-2011 Panini Pinnacle that ended last night on eBay. That is May the 6th between the time of 7:15 and 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The last team that was Winnipeg Jets / Atlanta Thrashers organization. They ended at 7:44. Current eBay time is, let me just check for you, Tuesday, May the 7th, 1:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So I'm going to do the break now, upload to YouTube, and get it all ready, and we're ready to watch it. Serial number is NE899-17761. As you can see right there. Just remember the sorry, the 761. I'll flip open to the webcam. 761. Make sure I have the right box here. Slowly but surely the webcam will turn over. There we go. NE899-17761. There you go. It is, of course, a sealed box of 10-11 Pinnacle. This is the year with the Subans, the Halls, the Everlays, the Skinners, the Sagans, so, etc., etc. See, everything I'm doing today is all 10-11, oddly enough. Didn't realize that until right now. I want to wish everybody good luck in the break. Remind you, I do have 3 more breaks going tonight on eBay, including a somewhat rarity, an 0708 box, which is a Sweet Shot. So you don't usually get a lot of older products in the breaks, I noticed on eBay, so I figured I'd start filtering that one in at the very least, if I can get a hold of it. Base cards do not ship out of this product. I would not be able to send them all out. There's too many. And away we go. Alzner, Leclerc, Gustafsson, Tavares, Pavlik, Gagliardi, Brent Burns, and UC Jokinen. Pack 2. All baser. Matt Cullen, Daniel Briere, Thomas Caberlet, Icebreakers, Brandon Peary for the Chicago Blackhawks. Decoy. Ryan Whitney, Ryan Miller, Bobby Ryan, Duncan Keith. Pack. Lundqvist, Perron, Hornquist, Stahl, David Booth, Tyler Myers, Jimmy Howard, excuse me, and Tobias Anstrom. Throat's bugging me today. Michael Nerveth, Sergei Gonchar, Christopher Stieg. We have Team Pinnacle, so it's a card that's going to have to be randomized. On one side, it's Martin St. Louis, Team Pinnacle, and on the other side, we have Corey Perry. So it's between Anaheim and Tampa when I get around to the randomization at the end of the video. Corey Perry on this one. Vermette, Burnett, Gleason, and Gagne. Round that one out. Crosby, Koivu, Carter, tough times for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Tiger Williams. Tiger Williams for the Leafs. Tough times. Filatov, Corey Perry, Jonathan Toews, Keaton Ellerby. Bozak, Gabrick, Halak. We have Brendan Morrow, Newfax Parallel, the Dallas Stars. Morrow for the Stars. Decoy. Tanguay, Franson, Savard, and Derek Dorsett. Excuse me. Pecorine, Marc-Andre Fleury, Mike Green, Chris Pronger. We have City Lights for Philly, Scott Hartnell, jersey swatch. Pierre-Marc Bouchard, Tuomo Ruutu, Lucic, and RJ Umberger. Steve Sullivan, Mahalik, Backstrom, Icebreakers, Tyler Seguin, not a bad rookie to grab. For the Boston Bruins, Tyler Seguin, rookie. Peros, Hossa, Dvorak, and Mike Modano. I will be live tomorrow night. That's Wednesday night, 7 p.m. If anybody wants to take part, I have a 3-box mini as well as a half case of Dominion I'm going to be opening. Mike Richards, Alexander Burrows, Martin Biron, TJ Oshie, Jerome McGinley, Mark Recchi, Voracek, and Theodore. Dave Steckel, Nick Foligno, Dion Phaneuf, Dwayne Rollison, Decoy, Tim Connolly, Tom Wandell, Nick Antropov, and Wayne Simmons. Ryan Clough, Claude Giroux, Phil Kessel, Matt Molson. We have some Pinnacle threads for the LA Kings, Ryan Smith. Ryan Smith for the Kings. Numbered out of 499 on the back. Eric Stahl, Nikolai Habibulin, Nathan Gerby, and Louis Erickson. David Backus, Matthew Lombardi, Evgeny Malkin, Torrey Mitchell, the San Jose Sharks. Newfix parallel. Corey Crawford, Brian McCabe, Tyler Ennis, and Henrik Zetterberg. Kyle Poso, Cam Jansen, Joel Ward, Vern Fiddler, James Neal, Chris Mason, ooh, I almost fell over. Chris Mason, sorry. Paul Stastny, and Sean Horkoff. Lots of packs open up at Pinnacle. Danny Heatley, Brian Giunta, Billy Leno, Dan Hamhui, Decoy, Rick Nash, Vijanovsky, Yalmerson, and Bernier. Ryan Callahan, Scott Gomez, Ray Whitney. We have an auto. Oh, very nice. First one of these we've hit. Thomas Vokoun for the Florida Panthers. Pencraft. First one we've hit. Hard sign auto. Jay Bomeister, Lidstrom, Craig Anderson, and Dustin Brown. I haven't opened up a lot of 10 Olympics. I think we're about 5 boxes in. So I'm taking my time reading them. I don't want to get caught by surprise on anything. Ryan Kessler, Brian Elliott, Steven Stamkos, Thomas Plekanec, NewFX parallel. I'm going to call it Montreal. Jokinen, Bertuzzi, Bergeron, and Matthew Garon. Jeez. Eliash, Pavelski, Price, Brizgalov, Ryan Getzlaff, Patrick Kane, Thomas Vokoun, and Mika Kiprusoff. Just going to drink water here real quick. There we go. Much better. Henrik Sedin, Torrey Mitchell, Thomas Plekanec. Another Icebreakers, Alexander Vasunyov for the New Jersey Devils. Decoy, Bufflin, John Michael Lyles, Jack Johnson, and Rene Bourque. Scotty Upshaw, Alex Ovechkin, Daniel Alfredson, Victor Hedman. We have another threads. Time for the Buffalo Sabres of Ryan Miller. Ryan Miller, Pinnacle threads. Hemsky, Thornton, Burish, and Koivu. Travis Zajac, Joe Thornton, Josh Georges. We have Saving Face for the Atlanta Thrashers / Winnipeg Jets, Andre Pavlik. No number. Patrick Sharp, Kopitar, Lettinen, and Kane. Stempniak, Bailey, PJ Crombeen. We have Chemistry on Canvas for the Vancouver Canucks, the Sedins. Chemistry on Canvas. Matt Duchene, Jonathan Quick, Brandon Sutter, and Dustin Penner. 3 packs left. Cody Franson, Shane Doan, Eric Fair, Icebreakers, Newfex, Kevin Shattenkirk for the Colorado Avalanche. Shattenkirk for the Avs. Decoy, Tim Thomas, Brendan Moore, Team Solani, and Chris Stewart. Spezza, Cavalier, Zach Parise. We have an artist proof icebreaker for the Boston Bruins, James Arneal. Artist proof icebreaker. Vanek, Ott, Bergford, and Hayden. I was waiting for that the artist proof. I could never. Sometimes I miss some stuff. Glad it popped up. I have to cycle through everything. Marlowe, Camilleri, Kuhlman. We have another icebreaker this time for the New York Islanders, Nino Niederreiter. Niederreiter for the Isle. Ryan Smith, Cam Ward, Curtis Foster, and Derek Roy rounds it out. So again, I want to thank everyone for taking part in this break, and again, remind you that I do a lot of live breaks. Wednesday is my next one. If you want to take part in that, please feel free to come and join me at vonlive.tv/RYDLAR99, or conversely, you can go to RYDLAR99.tv to find all the breaks. Alright guys, have a good one. Oh wait, sorry, almost forgot the randomization. First day back. It's my first day. Anaheim. And who's the other one? Tampa, I believe. Yes. Yes. Tampa. Okay, so I got you guys in there. Anaheim and Tampa. I'm going to randomize 5 times. Team on top wins the Team Pinnacle card. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and count to 10 and then hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The winner is Tampa Bay Lightning. Congratulations, you win the Team Pinnacle card between Corey Perry and Martin St. Louis. Alright guys, now I'll stop the video and upload it to YouTube. Have a good one everybody.